In an extraordinary turn of events, a minke whale, one of the ocean's most elusive and graceful creatures, has found itself navigating unfamiliar waters. Here in the bustling harbor of Long Beach, California, just south of Los Angeles, this young marine visitor has become an unexpected local sensation. First spotted 5 days ago, the whale has remained within the port of Los Angeles, spending the last 3 days circling a narrow harbor basin near the Catalina Express terminal. The shallow waters here are only 15 to 20 feet deep, far from the open ocean conditions this species is adapted to. Curious onlookers have gathered day after day, marveling at the rare sight.
Children, tourists, and locals alike watch in awe as the whale surfaces for air, its slick gray back glistening in the sunlight.
So what we have here in the basin of the Catalina Express boats is a minke whale, which is the smallest of our baleen whales. This one's subadult, probably about 18 to 20 feet long. And it's been in the port of Los Angeles for 5 days now, 3 days in this particular basin, which is very shallow, only 15 to 20 feet deep.
And while the whale doesn't appear to be in distress, its prolonged stay raises concerns about its health and safety. Earlier attempts by harbor patrol and boat crews to guide the animal back toward the open ocean have been unsuccessful. Authorities are treading carefully to avoid causing the whale stress or harm.
The officials from National Marine Fisheries Service, NOAA Fisheries, and helped with lifeguards and a couple of other groups, managed to get the whale to go outside of this harbor 3 times earlier today. But it got to a bridge behind me, and where the shadow of the bridge is cast on the water, the whale didn't seem to want to go past that shadow. They're visual feeders. They feed on schooling fish as well as on shrimp-like organisms called krill, and it just didn't seem to want to do that.
Minke whales typically migrate long distances, moving with the seasons in search of prey. Experts are studying local water conditions and food availability to determine what might be keeping the whale here. In the meantime, local marine biologists continue to track the animal's behavior, hoping to find clues to its intentions and signs of whether it plans to leave. For now, the minke whale remains a quiet mystery, gliding beneath the surface in an environment far from home.
No boats are moving fast here, but this isn't a good place for it. It needs to get back to the open ocean. These minke whales are resident. They aren't migratory, and they eat fish right outside of our harbor. We've been seeing them out here. There's only an estimated 509 minke whales between California, Oregon, and Washington combined as of 2023. So we're really hoping this minke whale, who we've nicknamed Bob the minke whale, leaves the harbor.
Its visit offers a rare, intimate glimpse into the world of a species we know surprisingly little about. As crowds gather and scientists observe, this young whale reminds us of the deep connection between land and sea and the responsibility we share in protecting the wild creatures that grace our shores.
It is very exciting to see a whale this close, because this never happens, it's not usual. So you have to pay to see whales, and even though you pay, you don't see them this close. So it's very exciting to see a whale this close.
Okay, that's no doubt.